So what exactly is an affiliate ecosystem? And how in the world have I made $3 million using one? I'm going to show you how right now. Hey, what's up? Anthony Morrison here, and welcome to another video here on my channel. And today we are going to talk about an affiliate ecosystem and how you can use an affiliate ecosystem to generate up to $3 million, or at least how I've used an affiliate ecosystem to generate up to $3 million. Listen, if you're new here to my channel, I want to welcome you. I want to say congratulations and thank you so much for being here. Listen, I pump out these videos each and every day with one goal, and that is to cut through the fluff, get rid of all of the nonsense that you see on YouTube and all these other channels, and really teach you what actually works, right? I've been doing this online for, I don't know, probably 20 years now, and got the gray hair to prove it. And I've made well over, $100 million online. And I see that there are so many people that are beginners, so many people that are looking to build a business, but just don't know where to start, right? Or you start in one place, but you get pulled into 52 different places. What I'd like to do is show you a path, right? A path that has worked for me. It has worked for a lot of different people, a lot of my students around the world. And I truly believe it can work for you if you stay focused and you truly put in the effort, right? And that's the reason why I built this channel. That's the reason why I put these videos out. And that's the reason why I want to talk to you about affiliate ecosystems, right? Now listen, if you love learning about internet marketing and if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and ecosystems, I'd love if you take just a second right now to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. When you subscribe to my channel, it just means that you won't miss any of the further training that I do on affiliate ecosystems, right? So you want to make sure that you don't miss that. Click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's dig in right now and talk about what affiliate ecosystems are. So in the past, and probably what you see all over YouTube, you see people talk about affiliate marketing. And what they're talking about is promoting somebody else's product. So basically companies like Best Buy, Amazon, eBay, I mean, you name it, Walmart, they all have affiliate programs. If you go to any of their websites and you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see a little button that says affiliate program. And what that means is, and what that is a way for you to kind of work with or partner with much bigger brands and much bigger companies, right? They have a bunch of products, they want customers, and they get affiliates to help them get new customers. You're essentially a referral partner, right? And this works out for a lot of reasons because, companies have big brands. They do a lot of marketing. They're spending a lot of money to be known, which means there's a lot of customers that they're looking for the products that these companies have. And all you have to do is help them find it online and you get paid. That's a lot easier than trying to build your own company, build your own brand, do all of your own customer support, do all of your own processing, stock all of your own products, invest in inventory. You don't have to do any of that when it comes to affiliate marketing. The problem with affiliate marketing is that typically it has been a one-to-one type of thing. I'll show you what that means. Let's go to my computer real quick. Okay, so what you'll see here is my little whiteboard app, and what I'm going to do is kind of explain to you what I mean by one. So affiliate marketing, okay, at its core really just means, okay, and this is the typical affiliate marketing, by the way. It really just means that there's essentially, here's a customer, okay, this is going to be a customer, all right, and then this is the business. We'll just make this a world. So this is the business, okay, and then this becomes you, all right, this is you. You are the affiliate, okay, and essentially what you do is you go and you find this customer, and you send this customer to this business. And when the customer buys something, you get paid a commission. Works just like that. It's a very simple model, right? It's a very, very simple model. Here's the problem though, okay? Is that typically you are promoting one single product that this business has. And your ability to earn commissions gets cut right here, okay? That's it. But here's what happens after the customer purchases that one product. The business, okay, we'll just do it like this. The business continues to promote, okay, they promote more products, right? So they promote more products. And ultimately, the customer ends up buying more of these products. So the customer spends more money. Okay, so the customer continues to spend money with the business because businesses don't make just one sale. The problem is that because there's a line here, you get no commissions on these sales, right? You get no commissions on these sales. Now listen, I want you to think about this. That means that you can send a customer to a business, but you only get paid one single commission. And that's typical for affiliate marketing. Most businesses pay you an affiliate commission for the specific, hear me, the specific product that you are promoting, not for any product that the customer purchases, not for future products that the customer purchases. 1-to-1, one customer, one commission. And that is look, that's the problem I have with affiliate marketing. I started out with affiliate marketing. I made a lot of money in this 1-to-1 ratio. I was making $200,000 to $300,000 a month when I was in my early 20s doing this. But as the internet has evolved, as things have changed, as it's gotten more and more expensive to advertise, now you have Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, Bing ads, Yahoo. I mean, you have ads everywhere, right? Now that there's so many different places and so many different people that are competing, you need what we call the edge, right? You have to have an edge if you are a beginner and you want to build a business that's going to succeed and going to win. And the way that you gain the edge is you get multiple commissions through an affiliate ecosystem. Let's go back to my whiteboard. So how do we get more commissions? Well, to get multiple commissions, you want to use an ecosystem. Now, let me show you how an ecosystem works, okay? Basically, you have the customer, okay? And then we have you, and you, of course, are an affiliate, okay? And then what we have is we have the ecosystem. Okay? And essentially what you're going to do is you are going to go out, find this customer, send this customer to this ecosystem. Now, the difference in an ecosystem and a business is you are sending people to essentially like a mall, right? Think of this as I sent people directly to, I don't know, the shoe store, all right? Let's just say it was shoes. We sent them directly to the shoe store. Think of this as I sent them to the mall, right? Which is /ecosystem, all right? And what happens is that anything that they purchase, right? If they make a purchase from any one of the different companies or different products in this particular ecosystem, you get paid, which means there's a lot of these money signs, right, coming back to you. You get paid multiple commissions. It's a way that you can now compete with bigger businesses. It's a way that you can now guarantee that you have an edge over everybody else because you're getting multiple commissions. Now the question is, where do you find an ecosystem? I'm going to tell you right now. All you got to do is look right below this video. There might be a little show more button or see more or something like that in the description right below the video. There's a link, okay, for Partner with Anthony. This is an ecosystem that I've built for you. It has 12 to 15 different opportunities for you to earn commissions. So now what happens is you promote one thing, but you have the opportunity to earn 12 to 15 different commissions instead of having to promote 12 to 15 different things. So think about it. If it costs me, let's just say it costs me $1 to get a customer. If I spend $1 to get a customer to an ecosystem that can earn me 12 commissions, isn't that better than spending $1 for each one of those opportunities, meaning $12, right? It costs me a 12th as much money, and I have 12 times the opportunity to earn commissions. This is the reason why ecosystem marketing is so important. If you want to be a part of an ecosystem, all you got to do is look right below, click that link. You can partner with me. I've built one that you can tap right into and you can use right now. All right. And so what I want you to do is click the link below, check out Partner with Anthony. We'll work together to build your affiliate business, but build it using an affiliate ecosystem, right? I've used this to generate well north of $3 million. And I'm telling you right now, it's the #1 way to build a business and to do affiliate marketing right now this year. Now, of course, listen, I would love for you to click the subscribe button right now and turn on notifications if you enjoyed learning this, right? I mean, look, I've taught you, if nothing else, what used to work and what's working now. What's important now is to have an edge to get multiple commissions, right? I've shown you that you can do that right below by clicking that link that you see in the description. Hopefully, you want to learn more from me, right? And if you do, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications. If you enjoyed this video and you feel like other people should hear this, click the like button. I'd love if you'd click the like button. When you like this video, it tells YouTube that we're doing a good job and that you think other people should see the video, and we do too. So click that like button for me and then leave me a comment. What do you think about affiliate ecosystems? Do you have any questions about affiliate ecosystems? Leave me a comment. Engagement is how I learn to do a better job at what I'm doing, right? It's how I do better for you. And here's the deal. If you subscribe, you like, and you leave me a comment, you're automatically qualified to win any of the number of giveaways that we do here on my channel. We've given away vacations, money, we give away Facebook, Oculus, metaverse things. We give away all kinds of stuff, and you qualify to win, but you must subscribe, like, and comment right now. And of course, click that link, check out the Partner with Anthony program. I look forward to helping you build and tap into an affiliate ecosystem, and make sure that you don't miss my next video on affiliate marketing.